In this video, we will show you how to use Conditional Add drop. From the My USF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. You will then be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page, where you will want to select Plan and Register from the Registration menu options. This will take you to the Registration landing page, where you will be able to register for classes. Select the Register for Classes option. On the next screen, you will see a field labeled Term Open for Registration. Select the term for which you wish to register. Note: for summer and fall registration, you will see each term listed separately. You will need to register for each of them one at a time. Click the Continue button to move to the next page. This will take you to the Register for Classes. There is a feature at the bottom of the registration summary where you can check Conditional Add drop. Conditional Add drop allows you to drop a section from your schedule only if you can add another section at the same time. You may want to use this feature if you need to switch a lab and do not want to lose a seat in the lecture that is a co-requisite. You may also use Conditional Add drop when adding a course section that has restrictions and you're not sure you qualify. Similarly, you may use Conditional Add drop if a course section has a time conflict with a course section for which you're currently registered. In either case, your current course sections will not be dropped until you can successfully add the conditional course section to your schedule. Before losing your seat, Conditional Add drop will help you know whether it's safe or not to make the change. Conditional Add drop is also smart to use when you are trying to add from a waitlist without accidentally dropping other course sections. Registered classes are shown in the Schedule and Summary windows. Use Find Classes, enter CRNs or plans to select the desired course section that you want to add. Find Classes was used to select a course section. Click the Add button to move the course section to the Summary window. This will place the course section in the Summary section as pending. To use Conditional Add drop, click the checkbox at the bottom of the screen in the Summary window. Next, choose the course section that you want to drop and change the action drop-down for that course section to drop. Next, click Submit. The change will either be complete or there may be an error. In this example, there is no error. The course section ECO 2013 was added, and AFH 3200 was deleted. If you receive an error, the course section you set to conditional drop will not be dropped. This allows you to research the error that prevented the course section add and resolve it before you try again. A message will appear that says, "Unable to make requested changes, so your schedule was not changed." With the Conditional Add drop box checked, your schedule remains the same. Now you have the option to take the next step. In this example, by hovering over the status message in the Summary window, you will see that it gives you more information. In this case, the course section is full. You can now either choose from the action drop-down to join the waitlist or remove the course section from your list. Again, your schedule remains as it was prior to requested changes because you used Conditional Add drop. Next, choose the action you want to take based on the status messages. In this example, we are going to choose to waitlist for AMH 2020 and drop ECO 2013. Select Submit to make the update. Note: if it is another type of error that is not listed in the action dropdown, you may need to select another course selection. If you have any questions about this functionality, you may contact Ask the Registrar at usf.edu for assistance. To see other information or watch additional videos with in-depth instructions about the components of Student Self-Service, please check them out. And as always, go Bulls!